actually said it would be a theft because she fraudulent intention. It was a fake check.
I believe it's scheme to defraud.
What?
Scheme to defraud.
Okay, for who?
The 13th of February, 2026, Charlotte County, Florida. Officers of the Charlotte County Sheriff's Office arrest a suspect in a multi-dealership vehicle fraud scheme. Charges: filed grand theft under Florida Statute 812.014, obtaining property by worthless check under Florida Statute 832.05, and scheme to defraud over $50 under Florida Statute. Babai Ishert Sedant Lin San Sis.
How can I help you today?
So, fun story. I work for a dealership out of Riverview.
Okay.
We sold a vehicle to an individual. Delivered it. It was all done over the phone. Delivered it to an address in Port Charlotte.
Okay.
Where she picked it up, signed all the paperwork, gave us a check.
Okay.
The check turned out to be fraudulent.
Okay.
So we are trying to retrieve our vehicle. So I needed to submit a vehicle theft or report a vehicle theft.
Okay. It wouldn't be a theft because you guys gave them the vehicle in exchange, for what you thought was a check. But...
So we filed a report with the Hillsborough County Sheriff's Office.
Okay.
That's
where your office is?
Yeah.
Okay.
He actually said it would be a theft because she fraudulent intention. It was a fake check.
So, was her name on the check? Like, did the driver's license match the name on the check?
She put it in her business name.
Oh, she put the Jeep in her business name that she purchased. Okay.
So the check was made out to her business name.
Okay.
We ran like a SunBiz report and verified her name is associated with the business.
With the business, okay.
Yes, to make sure that all matched up.
Okay.
I've got, in my email, I've got copy of the driver's license, bill of sale,
Okay.
the check.
So you've already filed like the fraud report with Hillsborough.
Yes.
So they took the initial report. Okay.
They said because the transaction occurred in Charlotte County, we had to file it in Charlotte County.
Of course they did.
Generally meet at the person's house, which there's a lot of red flags. But she wanted to meet at Target because her story was she wanted to surprise her boyfriend, so she wanted to meet close to her boyfriend's work, so she's driving to her boyfriend's work.
Okay.
Which is not true.
So how did you guys find out the check was fraudulent?
We didn't realize that it was odd until we got a call from Sarasota dealership.
Okay.
That this lady had purchased a vehicle from them on Sunday, doing the same thing. She went up there though, gave him the same check. I have a copy of that check.
Okay.
It looks exactly like the one we got.
Okay.
So he called us when she pulled up because she bought it on Sunday. He called her. He was like, I think there was a problem with the payment. Can you come back and talk this over? He saw that she was driving the vehicle that she purchased from us. He was like, that seems suspicious. He was able to find out that she bought it from us, and he called us and he was like, hey guys, did you sell this lady a vehicle? We're like, yeah. He was like, so did I, yada yada yada. And we're like, okay, so something sketchy. He's like, absolutely.
Right.
Try to figure it out. And then I got confirmation this afternoon that the check did in fact
not go
get
through.
kicked back. Yeah.
Okay. So how much was the check for? Did she like
$53,000.
53,000, okay.
53,382 or something.
82. Okay.
I'm Detective Richardson with the Charlotte County Sheriff Office.
Yeah, I assume this is regarding the Honda.
Yeah, I just have some questions for you.
Yeah, what's up?
So, can you come out and talk to me and tell me what's going on with that?
Yeah, I mean, nothing's really going on. I bought a check, so I have a case.
Okay.
The money's in a protected account, and they got a check that says, like, check with sender, not like a block check. So I literally have given them proof that I'm just letting the bank release it. No one's talked to me. Zagan! Like, I texted the deputy last night, the sheriff. They literally, I had to go to the hospital for a panic attack over it because I literally, like, I got cornered, like, to tell us how you got this money. Like, it's a very sensitive subject to get money over a very long settlement, you know?
All right. Are you willing to give me a sworn recorded statement?
What?
Are you willing to give me
I am not giving a recorded statement while I'm heavily drugged. Like, I'm not even coherent right now. You know what I mean?
Okay.
I can come in and give a recorded statement. I just don't think, like, yeah, I can give it. Where do I have to go to give a recorded statement? Or can you do it right here?
Well, we prefer to do it at the sheriff's office.
Yeah,
not
I
just out.
literally we just moved here. I have my dogs. I have no problem giving a statement, but
You have something showing where this check was cleared, or that there's funds inside the account?
what?
Do you have something showing that the check was cleared, or that you had
So
funds?
the check isn't cleared. It's pre-funded, but it's like the bank pulls money to generate the check. But yeah, I've sent them all of that. I've sent them the proof. I've sent them the communication with the bank that the money was there.
Who did you send to?
What?
What dealership are we talking about?
Gettle,
What car are you talking about?
the Honda,
No, we're here for the Jeep.
the Jeep.
Yeah, we're here for this beautiful green Jeep sitting right behind me.
Oh, so it must be the same thing. The check, the same thing.
Okay.
Yeah, it must be the same thing. No one's reached out to me about the Jeep though.
So no one at the dealership has reached out to you?
No, I talked to the guy yesterday and no one has said anything about the Jeep.
Who'd you talk to yesterday?
The owner.
You know his name? I don't know these people. That's what I'm asking.
No, he was saying that he had the wrong tire and he gave me the wrong charger, so to come grab it. Yeah, no one has said anything to me about the Jeep.
Well, that's the case that I'm investigating.
Yeah,
Jeep.
no. But it must be the same thing. I did get an email today for the Jeep, though, that says the same thing, like we need to verify the check. Not verify the check, you need to manually release the check from my bank.
Your bank sent you an email?
Yeah.
Okay. So what was the issue with that?
So it's just a protected account. It's like it's a manual verification to make sure it was me doing the check. Like,
Okay.
yeah.
All right.
So no one has called. I'm like shocked actually because I haven't even talked to the guy at all.
Which-
Like, why wouldn't he text me, or call me and say that?
Well, I've been trying to get a hold of you.
He has not. I literally have my phone.
Okay.
I guess though, because we're in the middle of moving. This is registered to my business.
Okay.
How did you? I'm so confused. Like, I literally just moved here
What are you confused about?
because it's registered at the business address.
Okay, but you were the one who purchased the vehicle, correct?
Yeah.
You provided all your information.
Yeah. Well, yeah. I'm shocked. I'm just confused because I haven't heard from him at all. Like, I literally have my phone. I checked it right before you guys got here. Like, who's at my door? Am I expecting someone? I have no missed phone calls. Nothing. No text message.
Well, they claim they've been trying to reach out to you since you did the transaction on Tuesday. They got
Cheap.
yes.
I literally can show you a text message with him yesterday where he didn't say anything.
If you want to show it, I'd love to see it.
Yeah. He even said yesterday at 6 p.m. I have a few things to do tomorrow, so I may not be able to come in later in the day. I have 5 different I have the shop guys with 5 different chargers for you. Oh, for the electric charger.
If you want to show the message, we'll show it.
Yeah, this is with the dealership.
What's the phone number that you're getting text from? Because that, like I said, they said they've been reaching out to you. And who are you speaking with there?
The person who I facilitated the whole entire deal with.
Which is whom? I don't know who.
I don't know. Whoever answers the main phone number. I don't know his name. But
So you essentially purchased this online? Or did you go into the dealership?
they brought it to me.
Or how did the transaction transpire?
I said I signed the paperwork when they brought me the car, and
But you never physically went into the
no,
dealership?
it's in Tampa.
Okay. Alright.
But yeah, if you want to see,
Is your Honda here too?
no, it's a business car. These are for the business. But
Okay.
yeah, he literally
You have a
texted me.
screen protector, it's hard to see.
Oh, sorry. He literally texted me last night.
Okay. And you just have it as Jeep Depot?
Yeah. Is it reported as stolen? Like, can I drive it?
The Jeep?
Yeah.
It's not reported as stolen.
Oh, okay.
So that's just you initially contacting them about the Jeep?
Yeah, and this is our conversation yesterday. Like, I haven't gotten anything.
No phone calls from anyone else from Jeep Depot?
No. I get spam calls all day, but no, I haven't gotten my last phone call. I haven't gotten anything. I'm scroll. This is from like 12:05 p.m. and not a single phone call.
Okay.
And I texted him today. Actually, my last reply to him was this morning at 9:12 a.m. That just sound good because he texted me last night. I didn't reply.
All right.
Yeah.
Just give me a moment. Let me make a phone call to the dealership. I'll be right back with you.
Okay. Thank you.
Hello. How are you? We had a 911 hang up for this address?
I've been dead asleep.
You have? Oh, so you didn't accidentally call?
No, literally, I am wicked sick right now. I've been dead asleep. No 911 hang up.
Okay. You don't have any injuries or anything like that? You mind if you come out to the...
Florida Statute 817.034. Organized fraud. A systematic course of conduct to defraud multiple victims exceeding $50 constitutes a first-degree felony up to 30 years. Florida Statute 812.014 Theft of property valued between $2,000 and $100 is a second-degree felony up to 15 years. Florida Statute 832.05 Worthless check over $150, third-degree felony. Miranda v. Arizona, 384 U.S. 436-1966. Law enforcement must advise a suspect of constitutional rights before conducting any custodial interrogation. Berkemer v. McCarty, 468 U.S. 4201984. Non-coercive doorstep questioning prior to formal arrest does not constitute custody. Miranda is not yet triggered. Fifth Amendment, U.S. Constitution. Declining to give a sworn recorded statement, especially while medicated, is a protected constitutional right. Payton v. New York, 445 U.S. 5731980. Warrantless non-consensual entry into a home to make an arrest is prohibited. The threshold of the home carries full constitutional protection. Illinois v. Perkins, 496 U.S. 2921990. Police deception is broadly permissible under federal law. However, a false answer to a direct warrant question raises serious concerns.
To the door so I can check you real quick?
Yeah.
Your dog's up?
Yeah.
Okay. You don't have any injuries or anything like that?
No.
Okay. You have a good package there.
Yeah.
You want to come out here?
No, I'm. What's going on?
Huh?
I don't know who would call 911.
Well, it just came from this address. I want to make sure everything's okay.
Yeah, no, I'm fine. There's no one else here. It's just me.
Okay.
Yeah.
I got you. You don't have any injuries? I don't see your back or anything like that. Okay.
Andres, yeah.
Okay. Can you come step out for me?
What do I need to step out?
Because I need to talk to you about something.
Okay, what's going on?
I just need to talk to you, okay?
I'm not stepping outside. What's going on?
Okay. So, there's an investigation going on.
Yeah.
I just need to talk to you.
No, okay. I'm not stepping outside. What's going on?
Well, I don't know the details of it.
Okay. Is it a warrant?
Huh?
Is it a warrant?
Not yet.
Okay, what's going on then?
I don't know. I don't know the details of it.
So what do you need me to step outside for?
Huh?
What do you need me to step outside
To
for?
talk to you.
Yeah, I can
Because
talk
the dogs
right
are
here.
barking and everything like that. I'd like to
I don't
just
feel
talk to you.
comfortable stepping outside. I am half asleep right now. What's going on?
Okay. So, do you want to talk to my sergeant real quick?
Yeah, I can talk.
Okay.
Hi.
So, here's the deal. There's an investigation conducted, okay? I'm not going to lie to you, okay?
Okay.
I don't want to lie to you. I don't want to give you anxiety or treat you any kind of way. But there are active charges right now for you.
For what?
For, I believe it's scheme to defraud.
What?
Scheme to defraud.
Okay, for who?
For you.
No, for what?
I guess something involving a vehicle.
Okay.
I don't know the exact...
Okay.
I don't know the exact stuff with that.
Yeah.
Okay? So you probably know more because you already maybe spoke to a detective or, or something
last
like
month,
that?
yeah.
Okay. All right. So with that being said, we've got to place you into custody because you're under arrest for those charges. Okay. Does that make sense?
Just, can it be any other day? I have to find a dog sitter and stuff right now.
So
Like,
here's what I will do for you, okay?
Okay.
Because you're being cool with me right now, and I appreciate it. We can work out right now getting you a dog sitter and everything for your dog. I can drag you to jail and be mean to you, okay?
Okay.
We can work out some phone calls that way they're taken care of. You will have a bond hearing in the morning. You're not going to jail to stay in jail. That's not how it works, okay? So I'm trying to calm you down with how this all works. So as long as the dogs have food, water, tomorrow morning you see a judge and you get a bond. Okay. You should be able to get out. I say should because unless you have some crazy criminal history, which I don't think you do, and based on what I've seen, you should be able to get out, which means you will have no issue. You're allowed to use a phone when you're there. It's not like you're getting thrown in a, you know, you turn all that. So we can work all that out as long as you cooperate with us, because we're being cool with you, we're being honest with you, but we can't help where that's at. We had nothing to do with that. That was a detective and investigation. It's nothing to do with us. We're an apprehension unit. We come out and make contact with people, and we serve the charges.
Right.
Okay.
Yeah, no, it's frustrating because I've been trying to deal with that. I essentially, it's a long story, but yeah.
I get it. I know there's probably a lot to it, and we don't know anything about it. It's not our investigation, so
Right.
we're not picking on you. We just came here because you were next on the spot of people we come to check on. You know what I mean? So that's where we're at.
We have to go behind you back, all right? Just put your palms together like you're praying, and put them inward. Like, it's gonna be, there you go. It's gonna be the easy, I'm telling you, this will be the easiest on your wrist here.
No, I just had surgery on my wrist, so.
Well, I won't put them on tight. Is that good?
I mean, yeah, I just mean they're not flexible like that.
Oh, okay, got you. Well, then put them however you want.
That wrist.
You want it like that?
Yeah.
All right. Is that gonna be okay?
Yeah, that's fine.
Let me hold on. Let me lock it so they don't tighten up on you then. All right.
Yeah.
All right. I'll get airflow for you as we get moving here.
Thank you.
Well, I didn't get to check you. Is there anything on you I need to know about? Because
I
you don't.
am naked under this
Okay,
dress.
all right. Because
Yeah.
I don't want you to get charged on stupid.
Yeah,
So
no,
then-
don't even have a bra or underwear on.
Florida Statute 901.15. Arrest without warrant. A felony arrest is lawful upon probable cause alone. A pattern of fraud across 2 dealerships satisfies this legal threshold. Graham v. Connor, 490 U.S. 3861989. Force must be objectively reasonable given all circumstances. For a cooperative subject with a medical condition, accommodation is required. Key lessons. Always ask, is this a warrant? Never give a recorded statement without legal counsel present. You have the right to remain inside your home until lawful authority is shown. Key lessons continued. Transparency by officers reduces resistance and legal risk. A false statement about warrant status, even if legally permissible, creates grounds for defense motions challenging voluntariness of contact. Combined sentencing exposure under all 3 charges. Florida Statute 817-034, 812, 14, and 832.05. Maximum aggregate up to 50 years. Florida State Prison.